Good medical morning. Today we're going to talk about navel stones. These are calcifications or debris in the umbilical region, often as a result of trauma like a hernia. However, they are sometimes associated with poor hygiene. By the way, we have an amazing new clip of one coming up, so stick around. Let's take a look at several examples. The most popular example on YouTube is credited to Sanka QM5. He has over 20 million views across 2 videos.
Just pressing, you can see it's just coming out. Now it is coming out completely. It is almost size of 1 into 0.6 centimeter hard black mass. This is called black stone of the umbilical.
Meanwhile, this one has over 2 million views. It appears to be debris, and it's long overdue for removal. Another popular navel stone video can be seen here. It's in 2 of our videos and totals over 1 million views. If you're looking to safely and efficiently clean out your navel, we recommend a lighted medical pick like this. They're hygienic and won't cause damage or irritation, and we'll put a link in the description below. Lastly, here's that new clip we promised you. Check it out. What do you think caused this? Poor hygiene? Something else? Comment below. Thanks for watching. Hey folks, take a look at this lighted pick. It's a great tool for removing tonsil stones, which are smelly, calcified chunks of bacteria, mucus, and dead cells lodged in the tonsils. The rounded shape is great for gently removing stones on your own, and the light lets you see what you're doing. These picks are a great addition to your medicine cabinet. So check out the Amazon link below to get one for yourself. Thanks for watching.
Hi, I'm Rachel.
And I'm Michelle. Today we'd like to tell you about Meta 7
Meta 7 will help you activate your life.
and get you where you need to be and through the day.
Check it out.
There's a link in the description below.